fellow sharers of the universe. Y'all, I am scared. I got some dogs that be right next door. Be afraid that they're gonna come out and bite me in the booty hole. So forgive me if I run or anything because I don't got time for it. Don't. I got a lot of stuff that I have to clean. I'm just go ahead and give y'all this rundown. So I'm about to clean a chair, 2 high chairs, and 1 footrest. And yes, my hands are red because my hair is red. So I'm about to clean them, and one of these chairs I'm going to use for me personally, and it's just gonna be for, like, you know, my what is this thing called? It's called my
really, nigga?
It's called, oh yeah, because it's not a room, but it's like my little closet. I'm gonna be using it and stuff like that for, you know, creative purposes. So I'm gonna let y'all see the room, you know, after this, but this is kind of just like a little vlog or whatever. So all right, let's get started.
Nope.
Okay, let's just cut to the chase because you know how long I be talking. It hasn't been a lot going on, but this has been going on. You feel me? You feel me? I've been wanting red, but I just never took the time to do that. So I hope this, I might have to wash my hands. I really do, because it might still be dye in my hair, and then I got my rings on. No. Okay, but anyways, I'm happy I did it, you know? So, and then, how far does it look with, my natural hair? Just looking like, hey girl, we're bouncy, we're curly, good luck. So I have a little hair process that I'm finna tell a story about, because it really needs to be known. My hair was not like this for a while. I honestly had to cut off all of my hair. I cut off all my hair, and it was really short, really short. And if I could find a picture, swear to God, I'm gonna put that in there. But for real. So after the time I cut it off, I was like, all right, oh okay, what was I saying? At a point in time, I cut off my hair, and it was really short, bro, really short. So then I let it grow. I was moisturizing it, doing everything I need to do, and it was growing really thick. So I was like, okay, good. And I got inches. Look, inches. I really like how my hair is. I'm putting herbal oil on my hair. Yes. Shea Moisture, y'all. I feel like it's not slanted enough. Okay, maybe this might be good.
Nope.
What the
Breakfast.
I'm using Eco Styler on my hair because get what? We're gonna do that. We're gonna brush this thing out. And my hair just seems like it's like really bad right now. I don't know what is going on, but I'm gonna put some deep conditioner in that guy. That's why I put some more Eco Style on there because you never know what's gonna go down, honey. And try to get in them corners because you know you got that Eco Style on and it's gonna slip down. Trust and believe that. Woo! Yeah, my hair is too thick. Like, it ain't even no joke. Like, it's a lot to deal with.
You ain't getting nothing till you eat these damn noodles. Understand? You know better.
Alright. There we go. Alright, we're gonna get into these eyebrows. We're gonna get into this.
Oh, that's a mirror.
Go back.
Both of our places. You love your mirrors. You know what you need to do? But you ain't gonna do it. You have money. All you gotta do is buy you one of them big mirrors.
Here we go.
Okay, bye.
What do you I did buy a big mirror. It
No.
was $20. It was this big.
What
And guess
happened to
where
it?
it is?
Where?
Not here.
Yeah, they couldn't bring the mirror?
No.
A mirror don't take up no space. You can slide, look, you can slide that, look. Slide that right in between something. It's so small.
Exactly. Okay, so this is the finish result, like little edges or whatever, and then on this side it's like really like bad, but we're gonna deal with it. I took off my makeup 3 times. 3 times. I'm not doing that again. I'm not even making that video. You got me messed up. Guess what? There's a vlog now. Do you love me? Are you writing?
I thought your hair was tan, brown.
Nope.
How you get your hair like this?
First I bought some developer and some powder, some lightening powder.
Why everybody looking at me?
They always fucking nosy.
They fucking turn around looking at my phone.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. Bitch, you gonna turn?
Oh yo, excuse me for all this explicit cursing. This is not real life. This is true life, nasty. We finna walk in this bitch, and it ain't gonna be nothing here. I'm telling y'all, like, it's stuff to buy here, but like it's on like 3 or 4 stores we got. So they act like they don't know how to install this bitch a little bit better. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna show y'all the. Okay, we finna walk in. Hold on. Boom. Boom. You see nothing. This is not even open. You got this store right here. It's bomb right here. Yeah. Where we going first? Boom. Bitch, what we steal? I'm gonna show them what I was looking at. Okay. Yeah, that's cute as fuck. Show them that little stripe one. Yeah, that bitch cute. Like that one is bomb. Like,
Damn, son,
that
where'd
one's
you
like,
find
I don't know
this?
what it is. So, okay, we're leaving out of here. Okay, so now we're in Goodies. Goodies ain't got no goods. Okay, that's cute, but that's $60. See, that's what I'm talking about. Who finna? Not me. I gotta burp. Burped. This is cute. Oh my god. Yes.
Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes, yes, and yes. It was $71. Cool. You got me bent, boy.
Nope.
$69. What do I look like? I look broke. That's what I look like. But guess what? I'm not buying it. Hey, Ty. Okay, I don't want those shoes.
It's a mood. It's a mood. It's a mood. It's the mood.
Look, Belk is really popping. It's really popping. Look at them purses, y'all. Oh. Oh.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Yo, hold on. I don't even wear heels, okay? I don't even wear heels. Oh. Look, it's the big teddy that everyone talks about.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
But we better run till we smoke it all. Putting on the front, boy, you better fall. We don't kill them dead, we don't kill them all. Make me with it in my draw. They smoking on black cat. They that smoking on black cow. Make me run, blow his back down. I was going, but I'm back down.
We finna get his car washed. Y'all, it's gonna look so good. Oh, sis, we done.
I get top fucking $20. Take me up, bring me up there so you can't whip my ass.
Oh, we finna die. Ooh, that shit scared me. Get her ass up. Get her ass up. Talking all that shit once. Yes, beat that hoe up. Beat that hoe up.
So you not gonna do nothing. That's why I'm like,
Yeah.
Look at them, look at that wrist. Look at them, look at that wrist.
No.
That shit hurting.
Shit hurt my fucking hand.